The problem with most cybersecurity training today is that you don't want to actually take it, either because you might be intimidated by the subject or because you find the material dry and boring at best. This presents a serious issue because it's the quality of the training you receive that ultimately dictates how secure your sensitive data remains. That is where 1M Cybersecurity comes in. We offer comprehensive, fun, and engaging training videos that you will love to watch. Effective, quality training means safer company data.